Ni kadege Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kasni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka Kali Datsun Ready Go Batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Habaye day bat ka jingwan jong ki Samla Pule ne ki college baper ha ki yingdak ki badan ha kanong ba Shillong ban pha ye ki answer scripts sha ki college ki jong ki nakaliang jong ka Batisi TV kalayo banyakren bat ka SR postmaster ka kong ki Kharshandi ka balabatai ba ka Shillong GPO ka traikam manlakasngi Henry habaye day bat ka ne ka jingwan jong ki Samla Pule ba pha ye ki answer scripts ki jong ki ngim don jingtip AA Shosho ka kong Kharshandi kalayatho bashwa bakin rung hapo ngi da bod runti ya ka jingpatha jong ka sarkar hanrai ngi snyosi pat habangi tip ba hapo jong ki envelope ki don de ki answer sheet dei halor kani ga daw ngalabo arngut kinong tray bakin page hakabaya dei bat kane
Actually, nobody informed us that the students will come to book the speed post data from here. We are booking the speed post. We don't know about the answer script, but we know only that the envelope that is the speed post data that we have to book and send to respective destination. I mean to the institution. So inside the building. We maintain the COVID protocol. You have seen we have put the sanitizer and then we put the scanner and then we did not allow them to enter in a rush. Only 5% are allowed to enter. They are not allowed to enter in a crowd. Okay. So regarding outside, because they want to enter inside to book the speed post, alright. So regarding outside, I was feeling pity because they said to me that inside the envelope there is the answer sheet. So I have children. So we also feel pity for them if they miss the time. Okay, because they have given them the target time. So if they miss the time, their letters will not reach. So I feel pity for them. So I have managed to staff. That means only to monitor the queue. But these students, they are not obeying. They are not obeying them. So we cannot beat them. I cannot do anything. So I have informed it to the DC and also to the SP to send his police personnel.
Everybody is having online classes. For online classes, you need an Android phone. So Android phone, they can do the cam scanning, right? They can scan those documents sitting at home and they can send it. Same thing, bunch of documents are going to the colleges. They'll have the difficulty to open all the documents. Sitting at home, even they can open the attachments online. They can check and they can send it back. Simple. They don't have to suffer. Students are suffering, right? They have to stand in the queue. When they are having online classes, just to avoid any kind of gatherings for students. For students to maintain distancing. Are they having this? No, right? This is not happening. This is not the cause. This nullifies the entire cause. The cause is not to have any kind of gathering. Students should maintain distancing. But this is not the cause. I mean, all students are lined up in the queue since morning. Yesterday also I had there standing in the queue until 6, 7 in the evening.
Hagaway pat kabenta jong ka kubor kinong yalam jong ka NSUI kilayatho manakalyang jong ki penpau ya ka jinglengo banlam ya ka jingkhap nia jong ka GPO namar ka jingwan jong ki Samla Pule ne ki college baper ban pha ya ki answer sheet ki jong ki nakaliang gakin hon kalaya thoru bakila dep ban kren yaki kattu kat ne teli ki college habaya dai bat kani bat ki kloy ban sha yaki khana bakin one eye yaki answer script shaki college ki jongki hanrei kane ka song hakatnat Pule puthi jong ka sarkar jilla nakaliang jong ka NSUI kalaong bah ka khat santri urisau arjar arphau kan se yakendo ya menteri katnat Pule puthi bat ban kenturu yu ban sha yaki khana bakin lej ban submit yaki paper ki jongki haki college
online exams whatever submission could have been done in colleges. Now take the Ra Ikineshu college Ra ekini exam paper submit cha college kan duna kalain hanne. We can see out here but maintain ka social distancing janjar kidan kibre ba arang ba. So it is very difficult. This situation we can see that the cases in the state is continually rising rapidly. So how can we expect, what can we expect from this government now? This government needs to act right away with this situation. Our demand is that they should change the submission point from GPO to their respective colleges. The colleges, I've spoken to them and they are willing to accept this, so they should go forward with this. Trying to take up the matter immediately. This is our demand and we will submit a memorandum tomorrow to the Education Department, to the Education Minister. We will submit a memorandum to change the submission point from the GPO to their respective colleges.